First, check your audio settings. Ensure the volume isn't muted, the correct input source is selected like radio or Bluetooth, and the speaker balance is centered. Next, inspect the amplifier fuse, typically located in the fuse box under the dashboard or in the engine bay. Look for a blackened or broken filament, indicating a blown fuse. If blown, replace it with an OEM equivalent of the correct amperage, usually 10 to 20 amps. Finally, try a system reset. A soft reset can be done via the infotainment menu or by holding the power button. If that doesn't work, perform a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reboot the entire unit. If basic troubleshooting fails, the issue might be more complex. Software bugs, especially after over-the-air updates, can cause sound failures. Check VW forums like VW Vortex or Reddit for similar issues and potential fixes or known recalls. If you suspect a software bug, ensure your infotainment system is updated to the latest version. For persistent hardware problems, consult a professional mechanic. Future VW models are moving towards software-defined vehicles with AI-driven diagnostics, potentially predicting and preventing sound failures. Over-the-air updates will become more common, but cybersecurity vulnerabilities and complex systems may introduce new challenges. If DIY fixes don't work, professional intervention is crucial for a long-term solution and to avoid voiding your warranty.